Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Zepp to Samsung Health. First, open the Zepp application on your mobile device. Once inside, navigate to the Profile section, typically located at the bottom right of your screen. From there, you will select Add Accounts or Third-Party Accounts to begin the linking process. This is your essential first step to integrating your valuable health data seamlessly between the two platforms. Next, from the list of available services, locate and tap on the Samsung Health option. You will then be prompted to grant Zepp the necessary permissions to access and write your health data. It's crucial to allow these permissions for successful synchronization. Confirm the connection by following any on-screen prompts, ensuring a secure and authorized link between your devices. After connecting, open the Samsung Health application to verify that your data is synchronizing correctly. Look for activity, sleep, and heart rate data that should now be transferred from your Zepp device. Please allow a few minutes, perhaps up to 5 minutes, for the initial data transfer to complete. This ensures all your recent health metrics are accurately reflected. If you encounter any issues, first ensure both your Zepp and Samsung Health applications are updated to their latest versions. Also, check your phone's privacy settings to confirm data sharing is enabled for both apps. If problems persist, try disconnecting and then reconnecting the accounts. These steps often resolve common synchronization challenges, keeping your health data flowing smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.